All right, hey, what's up? So I appreciate you coming to the About. I'm back here. I appreciate you coming to the About page, but I just wanted to be straight with you. This video is to help you see the potential that you have in yourself. And if you're somebody that wants to work on the internet, you're not an internet geek, you're not an internet business whiz or guru, but you've came to this page because you know you have more in you, and you know there's an opportunity out there to make a lot of money using the internet by helping people solve their problems. And so this whole thing that I do here with Make Once and Make Once Pro is to help you figure that out about yourself and to show you how you can take your advice and your knowledge and you can turn it into a digital product, a membership program, a coaching program that you can help people. And you can do it from anywhere in the world. That's why I love this stuff. I can do it how I want, when I want, and I can take these cool tools like these tripods and these little shirt mics and things like that, and I can create valuable things for you. And I can show people how to, in my case, make money using the internet. And maybe you want to do the same thing. Maybe you're a coach, consultant, you're a course creator, a membership creator, and you want to help people in the way that you want to help them. Maybe get healthier, maybe make more money like me. Maybe you want to show them how to get their mindset right, or you want to show them how to work in their relationships, or maybe you're just really good at a hobby, I don't know, and you just want to make money from it because maybe you're like me, you didn't want to have a job. You didn't want somebody to tell you what to do. You didn't want somebody that was going to dictate when you had to be somewhere, or how much you were going to make, or what you had to wear, or how you had to talk, or any of those things. And that's just what I didn't want. And so I had to figure out how to do that, and I didn't know. And I probably took the long way there, but along that way, I did figure out how to make it happen faster. I did figure out how to make it happen easier. And I figured out how to make it happen by just being chill and being yourself and not having to be somebody that you're not. And some people, they struggle with imposter syndrome, and I get that. But I'm here to show you that you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. All you have to care about is other people. You have to care about yourself, you have to care about other people. And you have to put things together where you're going to show them how to get from point A to point B. And that's what my whole program is about, is to show you how to make recurring income. First we have to learn how to make that first dollar on the internet. And if you've already done that, then we need to learn how to make that first 1,000, then 10,000, then 100,000, then 7 figures. And I can show you how to do all of that. My first year, I didn't do too well. Second year, didn't do too well. But when I finally figured out the course thing, after I got through the agency stuff and the done for you stuff, I found out how to really do it. And it was, I had a mentor just like hopefully you're gonna get, and it sped up the process. It made it easier. It was a lot more fun. It was way less costly, a lot less heartache, because I had somebody kind of lining it out and showing me how to do it. And so what I wanna implore on you is just the idea of it is possible for me. I want you to say that. It is possible for me, and it is. And maybe you're already somewhat there, but something's holding you back. You're kind of stuck a little bit. And you need to borrow my belief until you can get your own. You need other people around you that understand you like people don't understand you out there, right? They're like, oh, you want to do what? An internet business? You want to create some digital video things and make money doing that? What? Go get a job. No. I'm telling you, it's true, it's real, and you can do it, and we're here to support you. I have a 10-step program that I take you through. I call it my profit loop model. I keep enhancing this, and I've been doing this since 2007. I've been honing in my skills. I've been taking on all these different failures and learning lessons, and I don't think of them as failures, I just think of them as, man, I learned something. And I want to show you how you can concisely, effectively, less is more attitude, but just focus on the few things that actually matter and make something great. I'm really inspired by this car company, Porsche. They keep making something better and better and better. They've been building this car for 50 years and they keep making it better and better and better. And now it's one of the best things on the planet, and it sells for $250,000. Same with this company here. That's why I have these things around me. Number one, it inspires me. I want to go to space. I got big dreams just like you, but I have to know that in order to achieve these dreams, in order to do these things and build great products like these companies do, I have to focus. And I have to get around people that also understand the importance of focus and that also want to cheer me on and not tell me I can't. And so I've built a program where I let you come in and unhook from all that baggage and let you recycle into a new learning where you can figure out how to attract people on the internet, how to convert them into leads and then convert them into paying members and then staying members, how to create an online course, how to create a membership program, how to create something that feels good and it feels real, kind of like this video does right now. How do you actually talk to somebody to help them in such a way that they need to be helped? How do you put yourself out there? How do you make it valuable? How do you talk about it in such a way where people connect with you? I'll teach you that. Other members in the group will teach you that. You get 3 calls a week with me. But then even more than that, I let you come up with your own offers and put them in our marketplace where I run ads to it to help you make money. So I take a portion of what you're giving me and I give it back to you in the form of advertising, since I know how to do that, and I help you do that. Then I show you what I'm doing. I show you everything that I'm doing, how I set things up, how I do the live streams, how I make content, how I make videos like this, how I set up my office, how I use the tools, simple tools. For me, I want to show somebody how, with just a handful of a few tools, less than a couple $100 a month, they can run a 7-figure business. And don't even worry about 7 figures. If that's too big, we can get to 6 figures. And if that's too big, let's just make that first 1,000. Let's make that first $1. I'll show you. But I've also got this thing where every first Wednesday of every month, I also give you a workshop where I'm breaking down a new concept that either I'm learning or that we've found out there in the marketplace that's really accelerating, and I'll study it down. I'll take all the components apart. I'll get the first principles of it, put it back together so that you can use it to profit and make your life better and your business better and your customers' lives better. That's the first Wednesday of every month. I call it Wealth Workshop. The following Wednesday of every month, I then take you on the insider access where I show you how I'm implementing that in my own business. And then the following week, I do this thing called Member Reboot, where I literally take one of the people inside of the program of MAKEONCE Pro and I actually help them while you get a look over the shoulder, unless it is you, on how we're installing that into their business. All of these things are recorded and added to the member area for future reference. Then every Monday and Thursday at 2 different times. Monday is in the evening, Thursday is in the morning, so time zones and just differences. I get on for an hour. You can share your screen. You can show me what you're working on. We can work on things together and actually break it down and figure it out. Help you get your focus right. Help you put those negative limiting beliefs behind you. Show you that you can do simple things each day and get on a rhythm and a focus, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. You can have a lot of fun. You don't have to stress out. And the thing that you really need, the thing that you need more than anything is just the desire to reduce stress. The desire to have more money and profit in your life. The desire to create something great and keep creating it until it's greater and greater and greater and greater to where nobody can touch it. You can make one thing one time and sell it over and over and over again. You can learn how to make something once and redistribute it and repurpose it everywhere, being more efficient, saving you time, but still getting the message out there. I can show you how to use these simple, cool AI tools. We've got people inside of our community that are masters at AI that can help you. I've also got this emerging leaders. So as you do better and as you do better, I want to promote you. I want you to know that I'm here to help you. I want to get on my computer here and I want to interview you and I want to show you that you are winning and doing a great thing and that I want to support you, and I will push that out on my channel. I will run ads to that and let the world know that you've got something great, whatever it may be. And then I want you to also know that I take everything that we do together and I record it and I put it in my live pro replay calls so that you can access there. There's hundreds of them in there from over the years. When I unlocked how to do this stuff, I went from struggling around this 5 to 7 grand, 10 grand a month, to immediately it was 23,000. Then it was like 33,000. Then pretty soon it's like, okay, I get this rhythm. Let's keep investing into ourselves and our business. Let's focus. Let's put the blinders on and just focus on that one thing and keep making it over and over and over again, making it once and being able to use it and sell it over and over again. Kind of like Porsche does. They've been making that same car over and over and over again. They keep enhancing it. And I got to 6 figures a month and 150 grand a month. And I thought, wow, this is incredible. Not just once, but many times. And I said, I have to share this with people. It's the most beautiful model ever. I get to focus on my lane. I get to find what it is that I love, and I get to focus on it, synthesize it down and give it to you and make it easier. And you can do the exact same thing. You can do what I'm doing. I can't help everybody. Nobody can help everybody. We need more people, and you can do it. It's simple stuff. The hard part is you got to make that decision. You got to decide that it's for you. You got to decide that you can do it. You don't have to have all the belief, you can borrow mine for right now. You have to come in and get around people that care about you, that care about the same mission. And you can do this. You've got to understand it. This is not a I'm special thing. This is a I care about you thing. I can show you how to talk to the camera. I can show you how to do faceless content. I'll show you how to create the slides, how to create the different courses, how to do a pocket coaching. How do you create a video with Loom and send it out each day? How do you break it down? What's my process each night before I go to bed so when I wake up, it's simple and easy and I can do it? I'll show you all that. How do I prepare for life? How do I hook this stuff up? How do I do this stuff? I'll show everything to you. I'm a real person. I'm gonna shoot you straight. I make mistakes too. We work together and we make something great. We make a product that is good, that is simple, that you can focus on, that nobody can touch because you've put so much effort and hard work into it. And it takes hard work, it takes focus, but you can do it. I promise that. I promise that. I show you how to do one thing before two things. I show you how to do less things but get more. It's a simple equation. We just use science, first principles. We reason by the scientific method. We use basic, simple principles, and we keep it that clean and simple so that we can focus on what really matters, which is getting our customers results, which is making a product that is so good that people just have to tell other people about it. How do you create affiliate marketing revenue that's coming into you? You share something with somebody, but you keep getting paid from it. Imagine 1,000 people gave you $1 a day, and then $2, and then it's 2,000 people giving you $2, so on and so forth. And you can do this, but you have to learn how to make that first dollar, and you have to make that dollar work for you and keep going. How do you do that? I'll bring people in that will show you even more advanced things than what I can even teach you. Because it's not about me, it's about us, it's about you. That's why I built this. And it's only gonna get better, and where you're seeing it at now, you can get yourself in and be grandfathered in. I mean, the price that you can get in at a monthly rate or an annual rate, get in now because it locks you in there. And my goal and my hope is that you get there faster, easier, you have more fun, it's better. And we become the group and the community and the people out there that are inspiring the world and making it a better place. That are showing people that they can do what they don't think they can. And actually caring about people, keeping it simple, having fun. That's what it is for me, and I hope that's what it is for you. And if it is, and anything that I said in this struck you, it's time to get started. It's time to click that button and join. Get in here, get started, get into the onboarding. Jump into the calendar and register for the calls. Each and every week you get access. Get in here and start focusing on that dream that you have, because the moment you do and you get around people like us and we keep you in the rails, we keep you going down the right path, you're gonna blow not only your mind, but your family's mind, your peers' mind. Those people that are doubting you will then soon say you're a genius. And then also your whole life is gonna change. You can help more people. You can go more places. You can expand your horizons and your perspectives. You can be more creative. You can fall in love with the process. I can't tell you how much I cannot wait to get up each and every day. And I mean this with all my heart. You ask anybody around me. Yes, any of my clients. We've got people making 10 grand in their first month and they've never done this before. I'm not saying that's what's gonna happen to you, but I am saying it's possible. I want you to understand that we pour into you. I found out, and it's really weird, how other people just don't see this, but and some do, right? And some do. There's great people out there. And if for some reason you don't connect with me, go find somebody that you do connect with. But I will tell you this, if you just care about people and you show up and you be consistent and you make something great and you put in that work of making something great with the intention of helping somebody get a result faster, easier, making it better, having more fun, you'll exceed all the expectations you have for yourself now, and we'll show you how to set deeper ones and further ones. You will help so many people. You will make an impact. You will financially change your life. As Zig Ziglar said, you help everybody else get what they want, you'll have what you want. And you'll be around people that actually, truly are doing this stuff and not just talking about it. People that actually complete more than they complain. People that don't make excuses. People that don't care if they look silly because they know what they're doing is actually so impactful in changing lives, and it's not actually looking silly. We work through all that stuff. But you have to realize that you're gonna have to take that risk. You're gonna have to take the risk of, wow, to get into here is like the price of a pair of shoes. If I don't like it next month, I don't have to keep staying next month. Or you can say, you know what? I like this guy, I like what he's doing, I like what his clients are doing, I like how it looks, I like how it feels. and I'm ready to get started, and I'm not gonna look back. I'm gonna burn the boats, draw a line in the sand, cut the bridge, tear off the rearview mirror, knock off the side mirrors, and start looking down the road, looking forward. I've made all the mistakes, and I was able to do it. Doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter how young you are. All that matters is, do you have a heart in here for other people? Can you care about other people more than you care about yourself? That's the trick. And if you combine that with the ability to create content, which is all we do, and you learn the steps to create powerful content that connects with people, like this is probably connected with you, the world is yours. You can have whatever you want, as long as you keep showing up and caring about the people. So we'll show you how to do that. I've also got an incredible thing called pocket coaching, where every single day I send you videos like this and 10 times better, showing you exactly how to do a particular thing. And I break it down for you so that it keeps you accountable, keeps you sharp, keeps you moving the needle down the road, keeps you focusing on like the income earning activities, the things that actually move the needle and not wasting time with a bunch of shiny objects. It's all here. It's all here. I don't offer guarantees because I don't want you coming in here looking for a way out before you even get in, because that's not the mentality you use. It's not the mentality you use in the gym. It's not the mentality you use in a relationship. It's not the mentality you use in life. Do you go in life looking for a guarantee, looking for a way out before you even get in? No. So if you're that person, this isn't for you. This is for the person that wants to create digital products and programs that matter, that wants to make an impact, that wants to change their life and the lives around them, that want to put a ripple effect out there so that their life mattered while they were here, so that they made things faster for people, easier for people, better for people, more fun. It's for that person that really knows that they've got that, they feel that sense, that burn inside of them. They know they're made for more. It's for that person that's really willing to invest in themselves. Somebody that's willing to know that they got to have skin in the game to make this work. They're willing to be patient and stick it out until it happens. They want to focus. They want to be coachable. They want somebody that's going to be there for them. They want to be there for somebody. That's the person this is for. This is not for the get rich quick, although if you do things right, things can happen quickly. And they can keep happening if you keep focusing. This is for the person that is, as I said, ready to complete, not complain. That is ready to leave the excuses at the door and ready to take action. They're willing to feel uncomfortable for the sake of making somebody else feel better. That's who this is for. And this program is going to continue to grow and continue to grow. And I've also got something where I know you don't have a product to get started, most of you. So if you do, great, you're going, let's go. If you don't, hey, I'm gonna create some products that you can use and sell, and I'll even help you take care of your clients until you can take care of them yourself. I'll show you how to get multiple streams of income from affiliate marketing, from micro offers, micro events, from creating micro products. I'll show you how to do the whole thing, and it's not really that hard, and you can have a lot of fun with it. You don't need all this stuff. I just like this stuff. I like having fun with these things. I work hard to buy these things. I like to have this stuff, but you don't need it. I'm recording this on my phone. I've got a simple mic, that's it. So if you're ready, hit that button, join, say hi to me right away when you get into the community, jump into the start here, go through the 10 steps, join us on the weekly Q&A calls, and let's make the next 12 months of your life radically different than the last. Let's set that tone where you never go back down. Let's set that tone where people look at you and they thought you were crazy, but now they're appreciating you and they're saying you're a genius. You want that car, you want that house, you want that life, you want that security, you want that ability to reinvest, you want that ability to feel safe and sleep better at night, you want that ability to have time freedom, you want that ability to create monthly recurring income that works for you while you're not working so you can help other people and make better things. This is for you, and I'll see you inside. Appreciate you. Thanks for even being here. And listen, we care about you, we're here for you, and I can't wait to meet you and help you reach your goals.